Today, I present to you a summer dish, light and nutritious, spelt with vegetables and tuna, perfect for a healthy and tasty lunch. Ingredients: 200 grams of pearled spelt, 1 zucchini, 1 carrot, 1 bell pepper, red or yellow, 1 small onion, 150 grams of oil-packed or natural tuna, fresh parsley, extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper. Begin by rinsing the spelt well under cold water, then place it in a pot with plenty of salted water. Bring to a boil and cook according to the package directions, which usually takes about 25-30 minutes. After cooking, drain the spelt well and let it cool. Heat a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and gently sauté the onion until it becomes translucent. Add the carrots and, after a couple of minutes, also the zucchini and bell pepper. Let the vegetables cook until they are tender but still crunchy. Season with salt and pepper. Drain the tuna and roughly flake it with a fork. Combine the cooled spelt, sautéed vegetables, and tuna in a large bowl. Mix gently. Sprinkle with chopped fresh parsley and dress with a raw drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. To stay up to date on delicious new recipes, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to visit our website. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper if necessary. You can serve this tasty dish either warm or at room temperature. The spelt with vegetables and tuna is a recipe that celebrates the simplicity of the ingredients and the abundance of Mediterranean flavors. Enjoy your meal.